Mohammed Yusuf, who's from Hyderabad. He has 266 odd shares of Wipro purchased at 293 a piece, and he wants to know as to how much of an increase can we see in the next coming couple of months. Saurabh, I'll come to you for this one. Do you see an uptick in Wipro going forward?
The overall IT stocks are looking good, especially in an environment where interest rates are cooling down in the US markets. It is believed that the banks and the corporates will start spending more money on the IT sides and on the AI side also. That is why in the last 3-4 months we have seen good amount of buying in the Indian IT stocks. Thereby meaning that they'll be able to garner more businesses. And after the management reaching at the higher level, I think the investors are more confident about the future prospects of the Wipro. In the next 2-3 months, it is very hard to predict what can be the stock price. But yes, I think better to stick with it for the long term.
I believe we've got our first caller for the day. We've got G.R. Reddy who's calling us from Bengaluru. Good morning, Mr. Reddy. How can we help you today?
Yeah, good morning to you and your team. I have Gensar Technologies, 5,600 shares at 36 rupees.
Yeah.
I just want to know whether I should continue to hold or shift to maybe new gen software, something like that.
You bought it at 36 rupees a piece. When did you buy this, sir?
And this is about 10 years back.
Okay, and have you acquired it over the course of the last 10 years, or is this an acquisition that you made? So 5,600 is a large quantity. Did you acquire it at once? Or
there was, I think, the splits or bonus 3 years back. So it has been consistently performing except last couple of years.
Yes.
But nevertheless, I continue to hold it. Now that it is in a good price, I don't know whether I should continue or find out some other.
That is a fair question.
In IT.
Yeah, that's a fair question. Let me ask you this then, Mr. Reddy. If you're talking about 5,600 shares at 815 rupees a piece or thereabouts, is this a considerable portion of your portfolio or is this a small portion?
I don't say considerable. It's about 10% of my portfolio.
Okay. And do you have any other IT companies?
I have L&T Mindtree.
Okay.
HCL Tech.
Understood. Okay, so let me go across to Saurabh. Saurabh, you've got the context. He's making quite a bit of money. I think now more than anything else, he's going to be worried about capital gains tax rather than anything else, because the kind of gains that he's had over a period of 10 years have been absolutely phenomenal. The question is, will it continue to give him the kind of returns that he's gotten over the last decade, or shall he move to something else?
See, in my opinion, IT pack per se is looking good because he is holding 3 stocks in the IT. What he just now said, like HCL Tech, LTI, Mindtree, and Zensar Technology. Now, coming to the Zensar Technology, it is run by a P player. And this is a well-managed company. And if you look at the numbers, the margins are improving, the business is improving. And above all, the valuations are quite comforting. I mean, the stock is trading about 4-5 times to book value, approximately 28-30 times to its trailing earnings. If you compare with the name he himself suggested, New Gen Technology, I think the market caps of both the stocks are same, but on the valuation side, New Gen Technology offers much less comfort than the Zensar Technology. I am expecting that the Zensar Technology will do good in the next ensuing quarters. So, in my opinion, if he is not in a hurry, and moreover it makes up 10% of his portfolio, so he can hold on to it, or maybe he can decide to trim about 40-50% of the holding.